Hi there, thank you for joining me here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your communication skills and make 6 figures a year consistently as a highly sought after, high in demand voice and accent trainer working for Fortune 500 companies. So stay tuned. Before we go into any details on how you can improve your communication skills and how you can make 6 figures a year consistently as a voice and accent trainer, you have to learn few aspects in this process. So I am going to answer only 2 questions in this video. The first question is, what is voice and accent training? The second question is, who is a voice and accent trainer? I cannot insist more on how important it is when it comes to becoming a voice and accent trainer. Your communication skills play a very prominent role. Now let's understand the first question. What is voice and accent training? See, globalization brought then a huge opportunity to India, especially Fortune 500 companies like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and HGS, Google, and there are many other companies that play a very prominent role when it comes to this voice and accent training. So what exactly do I mean when I say these Fortune 500 companies take a prominent role in this industry, untapped profession, I can say. So these Fortune 500 companies have their clients and customers across the globe, and the only language that anybody can talk to those customers and clients is English. Everybody knows it, right? English is, it's a global language. If you know it, you can go anywhere. So these companies serve their customers across the globe, and these companies' management, these companies want their employees to speak to their customers and clients, with exceptional communication skills. You're getting my point, right? In order to serve a better customer experience to their clients, these Fortune 500 companies have their employees undergo this most prestigious corporate training, which they call it voice and accent training. The fact is, nobody knows about this profession, and I can say untapped profession. Nobody knows about it, and nobody talks about it. Maybe the sad truth is you cannot find any information about this untapped, little known profession on Google or on YouTube. You will not find it anywhere. I'm sorry. Because when I was trying to becoming a voice and accent trainer, I tried Googling it, I tried YouTubing it, but I couldn't find valid information which could give me idea on what exactly is voice and accent training. I couldn't find any information. Maybe this video, maybe my channel can help people who really want to become a voice and accent trainer. So the bottom line is, these Fortune 500 companies want their employees speak English fluently, confidently, and without Indian accent. So we get into many of these, the nitty-gritties of accents, pronunciation, and other things in the forthcoming videos, but let's understand the voice and accent training. The basic fundamental thing is, these Fortune 500 companies want their employees to speak English fluently, confidently, and without Indian native accent. Also, they want their employees to understand the language of their clients and the clients or the customers. That is the basic fundamental thing about the voice and accent training. So let's go on to the voice and accent trainer. Who is a voice and accent trainer? To fill this gap, to train these employees on communication skills, pronunciation, accent reduction, they need somebody. But I can say there is a huge opportunity for this, but there are not enough trainers in the market so that this profession this gap can be filled. So there are no trainers. So here where the part of the voice and accent trainer comes into picture. So these trainers train these employees on, improving communication skills and accent pronunciation of the employees of Fortune 500 companies. This is pretty much simple. Fortune 500 companies want their employees speak English fluently, confidently, with good pronunciation. To fill this gap, they want a trainer which can train their employees on all these aspects. So he is called a voice and accent trainer. But the sad truth is there are no certifications. There is no a particular profession or a particular degree. Anybody can become a voice and accent trainer. All you have to have is good communication skills and the knowledge on different aspects which we are going to talk in other videos. So for now, in this video, I hope you have understood what exactly is voice and accent training and who exactly is a voice and accent trainer. Let me recap quickly. Voice and accent training is nothing but Fortune 500 companies want their employees to speak English fluently, confidently, and effortlessly with good pronunciation without native Indian accent. And this is the most prestigious corporate training that all these Fortune 500 companies have in place. There is actually a specific team for that who handle these kind of trainings in the companies itself. And the second one, who is a voice and accent trainer? A person who trains these employees on these different skills, communication skills, body language, soft skills, pronunciation, grammar, and the other aspects is called a voice and accent trainer. So he is the one who trains these people, and that's why he is called a voice and accent trainer. And luckily I came to know about this profession, and now I am enjoying my life as a voice and accent trainer. I'll be very happy to share my experiences, my learnings, and how you can become a voice and accent trainer and make 6 figures a year consistently. You can follow the series. I am going to share the series of videos with you on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, like it and share it. Also make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release any video like this in the future. So stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.